On runway 01 left.
Takeoff. Man, flex, SRS and runway.
Check. Power set. 100 knots.
Checked.
Beat 1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Navigation.
Check.
In air 1000, you are leaving my airspace. Frequency change approved.
Gears up. Lights off.
Flaps 1. Flaps
Check.
0.
Flaps 1.
Climb thrust. On the after takeoff checklist. Autopilot on.
Engine mode selector.
Check normal.
Spoilers.
Disarmed.
Flaps.
Check retracted.
Landing gear.
Gear up. Lights off.
Exterior lights.
Set off.
Tax.
Both on.
Anti-ice.
Off.
TCAS.
Checked.
Altimeter.
103.
100 rate. Checked. Checklist complete. Transition altitude.
Arrow reference set and cross-check.
Check. Glide slope captured. Localizer captured.
2,500.
Flaps 2.
Speed check. Flaps 2.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 3.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed check. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
Landing gear.
Down and
Ground
locked.
spoilers.
Checked and
Brake.
low.
Exterior
On.
lower round altitude.
Set.
Landing
Checked.
checklist
No blue.
complete.
1,000.
Approaching 15.
500. 500. 500. 400. 300. 100 above.
Autopilot off.
200. Minimum.
Continue.
100. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 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 Retard.
Ground spoilers. Reverse screen.
Manual brakes.
Auto brakes off. 70 knots. ABU on.
After landing checklist.
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Ground spoilers.
Set off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked normal.
Flaps.
Checked retracted.
TCAS.
Checked standby.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
APU.
On.
Checklist complete.
Southwest Alpha